France too with it, but yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.
France.
You're from France?
Yeah.
Oh, dang, introduce yourself, my guy.
Yeah, man.
Dang, I love learning languages and whatnot, and I'm teaching myself German, and I just applied for a black man. What place in France would be good for me to go visit for the first time?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, where should I go visit first?
In France, Paris.
Paris?
Yeah, Eiffel Tower.
Dang!
Yeah. No
Dang. Now, how do you like it out here?
Food. I like food. And it's
Now, how's the weather out there compared to out here? It's hot out here, huh?
yeah.
And now out there it's cold, huh?
Yeah, already. Yeah.
Dang, so this weather is like summertime for you, huh?
Yeah, no, it's, I think, we have the same weather when it's the winter or...
Dang, now look, let me show you my channel because I just came back from and I meet people from all over the world. I met a girl from like Russian supporters. I meet people from all over the world and I